This is the main road that runs from La Fortuna, and if you were to have turned the other way, you would go all the way up to the national park and Lake Arenal, and you could go to the left and split off and go to El Castillo, or if you went to the right, you would go around to Nuevo Arenal, Tiburon, and then on to Monteverde and Liberia. But the main road, there's really only one that runs all the way through La Fortuna, and it's all paved. It's very easy to get around once you're here. And traffic here means one truck. And that's about it. Super easy once you're here. And it's just 5 minutes once you turn off that bumpy road to the left to go down to downtown La Fortuna. Here you go.